Sakshi Spelby 2024 and 25. Sakshi Spelby launched with the first edition in 2012. It is one of the most awaited events for schools across Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The participation in each edition has been consistently growing. In the 13th edition, students from more than 500 schools took the test. After participating in preliminary round, students gradually qualified for higher rounds. And today we have students who are participating not just from Twin Cities, but also from remote areas from state of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, who would be competing to win gold, silver and bronze medals here today. So here are the B Masters, Ms. Rani Dhulipala and Ms. Pooja Dhulipala. Give them a good round of applause. And about the rules and regulations, I request Ms. Rani Dhulipala to take it forward. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Hari. And a very warm good evening to all of you. A big round of applause for all the winners who had defeated many to reach out this hot spot. Today's competition is not just selecting about who gets the gold, silver and bronze. Of course it is there. But to see how well we have prepared ourselves to declare as the best amongst the rest. In your school, in your class, in your sections, you have been chosen as the best contender. This is to showcase the same talent. Forget about the gold, silver and the bronze. Definitely you will try for it and you are going to go through that. But other than that, most important one is you representing yourself over here amongst the huge lot of community who did try to take this position. So do you really feel proud in being seated over here? Yes? So please give yourself a good round of applause, dear. You're all winners, man. So it's a sincere request to the parent and the participant community to maintain silence. Thank you all.
Thank you so much. Shall we start? Yeah, with a good round of applause. Thank you. All the very best.
So calling on our first contestant for round one, it's Vaishnavi Reddy from Epistemo Vikas Leadership School.
Hi.
Hi.
You want to begin?
Yeah.
Yeah. Your first word is avarice.
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 Avarous.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect. It's Avarice. Avarice.
Okay.
Okay. Your second word is mephitic.
Maphetic.
Mephitic.
Maphetic.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect too. It's Mephitic. Mephitic. Okay. Thank you.
Well tried though, Vaishnavi. Thank you, dear. Moving on to contestant number 2 from Fitji School, Madhapur, it's K. Yashaswini Reddy.
Hi.
Hi.
Ready for your first word?
Yes.
Okay. Your first word is defenestration.
DEFENESTRATION. She said it right now. It wasn't right the first time.
So your second word is credulous.
CREDULOUS.
That's right. I'll see you in the tiebreaker. Thank you.
Calling upon contestant number 3 from SMP International School, C. Stephen Joy.
Hi.
Hello.
You're ready for your first word?
Yes.
It's numinous.
Could I have the definition, please?
It means having a strong religious or spiritual quality, usually evoking a sense of the divine.
NUMINIOUS.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect. It's NUMINOUS. You said NIOUS. It's NOUS. Okay? Ready for your second word?
Yes.
Your second word is schmaltz.
SCHMULTZ.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect too. It's MALTZ. SCHMALTZ. Thank you.
Thank you, Stephen. Well tried, dear. Moving on to contestant number 4 from Kennedy High, the Global School, it's Atar Mishra.
Hi.
Hi.
You're ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
You'll have to be louder than that, okay?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your word is esoteric.
ESOTERIC.
That's right. Perfect. Ready for your second word?
Yes, ma'am.
It's ostracize.
Can I have the meaning, please?
Ostracize means to exclude someone from the society or a group in general. Usually it's done with general consent.
Can I have the word again, please?
Ostracize.
AUSTRICISE.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect. The actual spelling is OSTRACIZE. Ostracize. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'll see you in the tiebreaker.
Thank you, Athar. Calling upon contestant number 5 from Jaya IIT Olympiad School. It's Kartikeya Srivastav.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
You're ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your first word is sagacious.
SCGACIOUS.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect. It's SAGACIOUS. Sagacious. You still have one more word. Your second word is fulgent.
EFFULGENT.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect. Fulgent is spelled FULGENT. I would request all of you to listen to the word carefully. Ask 2-3 times. It's perfectly fine. I will give you the clarifications. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Kartikeya. Calling upon contestant number 6 from Bhavishya High School. It's Rishi CH.
Hi.
Hello, ma'am.
Ready for your first word?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your first word is pernicious.
Can you repeat the word, ma'am?
Yes. Pernicious.
Can you repeat it once again?
Pernicious.
PERNICIOUS.
That's right. Perfect. Ready for your second word?
Yes, ma'am.
Your second word is malfeasance.
MALFEASANCE.
That's right. Perfect. I'll see you in round 2.
Thank you.
Moving on to contestant number 7 from Fitji School, Madhapur. It's Ivanshi Ranjan.
Hi.
Hi.
Ready for your first word?
Yes.
It's glabrous.
Can you repeat the word?
Glabrous.
GLABROUS.
That's right. Perfect. Ready for your second word?
Yes.
It's alacrity.
ALACRITY.
That's right. Perfect.
Moving on to contestant number 8 from Cornerstone School. It's D. Sanvi.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
You can hear me clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready for your first word?
Yes, ma'am.
It's querulous.
QUERULOUS.
That's right. Perfect. Ready for your second word?
Yes, ma'am.
It's hercine.
Can I have the meaning?
Yes. It means having qualities associated with a goat, such as a strong odor, or it means goat-like.
Could you repeat the word?
Hercine.
HERCINE.
So close. It's HIRCINE. It was incorrect. Thank you. But I'll see you in the tiebreaker.
Thank you, Sanvi. Calling upon contestant number 9 from Kennedy High, the Global School. It's Ishan SK.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
You'll have to be louder.
Okay, ma'am.
Ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
Your first word is rhapsodize.
Rhapsodize. Can I have the meaning, please?
Rhapsodize means to speak or write with excessive passion or enthusiasm, especially about something.
RAPCIDIZE. Rhapsodize.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect. It's RHAPSODIZE. Rhapsodize.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Your second word, ready for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Your second word is inexorable.
Inexorable. Can I have the meaning, please?
Inexorable means impossible to prevent or stop. Something that's relentless.
Can you say the word again?
Inexorable.
INEXORCABLE.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect. Inexorable is spelled Inexorable.
Okay.
Inexorable.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well tried, Ishan. Thank you, dear. Calling upon contestant number 10 from New Vision Concept School, it's Ahantya Sai Tapas.
Hi.
Hi.
Ready for your first word?
Yes.
Okay, it's irascible.
Can I have the definition, please?
Irascible means easily angered or someone that's prone to frequent outbursts of anger.
Can you repeat the word again?
Irascible.
IRASCIBLE.
That's right. Ready for your second word?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your second word is supercilious.
Can I have the definition?
Supercilious means behaving or looking as though they think they are superior. Someone thinks they are superior to others.
Can you repeat the word again?
Supercilious.
SUPERCILIOUS.
That's right. Perfect.
Thank you.
Moving on to contestant number 11, we have from Kennedy High, the global school, it's Shri Sahaja Madhupuru.
Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Are you ready for your first word?
Yes, ma'am.
Your first word is abstemious.
ABSTEMIOUS.
That's right. Ready for your second word?
Yes, ma'am.
Obfuscate.
Can you repeat the word?
Obfuscate.
Obfuscate.
Yes.
OBFUSCATE.
That's right. Thank you.
Moving on to contestant number 12 from Pragati High School, it's A. Kavya.
Hello. Sorry for that. Ready for your first word?
Yes, ma'am.
It's tenebrous.
TENEBRIOUS.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect. It is TENEBROUS. Tenebrous. Ready for your second word?
Yes, ma'am.
Your second word is recondite.
RECUNDITE.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect. It is RECONDITE. Miss Violetto. Thank you.
Thank you, Kavya. Now calling upon contestant number 13 from Bhavan's Jubilee Hills, it's Teesta Mukherjee.
Hello.
Hi.
Ready for your first word?
Yeah.
It's kowtow.
KOWTOW.
That's right. Perfect. Ready for your second word?
Yeah.
It's unctuous.
Definition?
Unctuous is excessively smooth or insincere. Something that's oily or greasy in nature is also known as unctuous.
UNCTUOUS.
That's right. Perfect. I'll see you in round 2.
Moving on to contestant number 14 from Oxford High School, it's Asfia Fatima.
Hi.
Ready for your first word?
Yes.
Okay, your first word is conflagration.
CONFLAGRATION.
That's right. Perfect. Ready for your second word?
Yes.
It's languor.
LANGUAR.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect. It's LANGUOR. Languor.
We are going to still see you in tiebreaker round here. Thank you. Calling upon contestant number 15 from Vista International School, it's Rushita P.
Hi.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready for your first word?
Yes.
It's vituperate.
Can you repeat that?
Vituperate.
The meaning?
Vituperate means to criticize or speak about in a condemning way or an abusive manner.
VITUPERATE.
That's right. Perfect. Ready for your second word?
Yes.
It's heterogeneous.
HETEROGENOUS.
That's incorrect. The right spelling is HETEROGENEOUS.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. I'll see you in the tiebreaker.
Thank you, Rushita. Calling upon contestant number 16 from Bhavans, it's Animesh Panigraha.
Hello. Ready for your first word? Okay, it's cacophony.
CACOPHONY.
That's right. Perfect. Ready for your second word?
Yes.
It's apocryphal.
APOCRYPHAL. Apocryphal.
That's right. Perfect.
Calling on contestant number 17 from Fiji School, Madhapur, it's Lasya Geetika.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, I can hear you. I couldn't hear you the first time. Ready for your first word?
Yes, ma'am.
It's sycophant.
SYCOPHANT.
That's right. Perfect. Ready for your second word?
Yes, ma'am.
Ephemeral.
EPHEMERAL.
That's right.
Ephemeral.
Perfect.
Contestant number 18 from Akshara International School, it's C. Kartika Reddy.
You're comfortable?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll begin.
Yes, ma'am.
Your first word is proclivity.
PROCLEVITY.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect. It's PROCLIVITY. Ready for your second word?
Yes, ma'am.
Your second word is excoriate.
Could you repeat the word?
Yes, excoriate.
EXCORIATE.
That's right. I'll see you in the tiebreaker.
Contestant number 19 from Sri Vidyapeth, it's Sri Rangam Srivalli.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
Your first word is lethargic.
May I know the meaning?
Lethargic means affected by lethargy into a state of sluggishness or something that's inactive.
Could you please repeat the word?
Lethargic.
LITHORGIC.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect. It's LETHARGIC, lethargic. Ready for your second word?
Yes, ma'am.
It's effulgent.
EFFULGENT.
That's right. I'll see you in the tiebreaker.
Okay, ma'am.
Final contestant number 20 from Johnson Grammar School, Nacharam, it's Rajita Anil Rao.
Hi. Ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
Your first word is reticent.
RETISCENT.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect. It is RETICENT, reticent. There is no S in it. Ready for your second word?
Yes, ma'am.
It's ubiquity.
UBIQUITY.
That's right. Perfect. I'll see you in the tiebreaker. We are going to the tiebreaker before we move on to the round 2. So everyone who got one word right in the first round gets a second chance here. Okay?
So calling upon the first contestant in round 1 tiebreaker session, I have contestant number 2 from Fiji, Madhapur, it's Yashaswini Reddy.
Ready for your word? Okay, your tiebreaker word is ebullient.
EBULLIENT.
That's right. Perfect.
Thank you, Yashaswini. Moving on to contestant number 4 from Kennedy High, the Global School, it's Athar Mishra.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
You'll have to be loud, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your tiebreaker word is Lagoria.
Could you please repeat the word?
Yes? Lagoria.
Can I have the meaning, please?
Lagoria means excessive or incoherent talkativeness. Usually something without any clear point.
LOGORRHEA.
That's right. Perfect.
Thank you, Athar. Calling upon contestant number 8 from Cornerstone School, D. Sambi.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
It's Baroque.
BAROQUE.
That's right. Perfect.
Well done, Sanvi. Calling upon contestant number 14 from Oxford High School, it's Asfia Fatima.
Hi. Ready for your word?
Yes.
It's Destitute.
Could you repeat the word?
Yes, destitute.
DESVITUDE.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect. Destitute is spelled DESUETUDE. Destitute. Thank you.
Thank you, Asfia. Well tried, dear. Moving on to contestant number 15, Vista International School. It's Rishita P.
Hi. Ready for your word?
Yes.
Your word is vexillology.
May I have its meaning?
It is a study of flags, about their symbolism, their history.
Can you repeat the word?
Yes, vexillology.
VEXILLOGY.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect. It's VEXILLOLOGY. You said ILI, right? Thank you.
Contestant number 18, from Akshara International School. It's Kartika Reddy.
Ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
It's assiduous.
ASSIDUOUS.
That's right. Perfect.
Moving on to the next contestant, contestant number 19, from Sri Vidyapith. It's Srirangam Srivalli.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
It's grandiloquent.
May I know the meaning?
Grandiloquent means using lofty, pompous, or extravagant language.
Could you please repeat the word?
Yes, grandiloquent.
GRANDOLOQUENT.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect. It's GRANDILOQUENT. Just one letter gone wrong. Thank you.
Thank you, Srivalli. Calling upon contestant number 20, from Johnson Grammar School. It's Rajita Anil Rao.
Hi.
Hello, ma'am.
Ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
It's perspicacious.
PERSPICACIOUS.
That's right. Perfect.
Well done, Rajita. So moving on to round 2 with 11 contestants. Calling upon the first contestant, contestant number 2, from Fiji, Madhapur. We have K. Yashaswini Reddy. And it's going to be a single word elimination round.
Hi.
Hi.
Ready for your round 2 word?
Yes.
Okay. It's obsequious.
OBSEQUIOUS.
That's right. Perfect.
Contestant number 4, from Kennedy High, the Global School, Atharv Mishra.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
It's parochial.
Could you please repeat the word, ma'am?
Yes, parochial.
Can I have the meaning, please?
It means limited in outlook or scope.
Is it PAROCHIAL?
That's right.
Calling on contestant number 6, from Bhavishya High School. It's Rishi.
Hi.
Hello, ma'am.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Your word is quiescent.
Is it QUIESCENT?
That's right.
Moving on to contestant number 7, from Fiji School, Madhapur. It's Ivanki Ranjan.
Ready?
Yes.
Your word is rambunctious.
Can you repeat the word?
Yes, rambunctious.
RAMBUNCTIOUS.
That's right. Perfect.
Perfect, Ivanshi. Calling upon my contestant number 8, from Cornerstone School, D. Sanvi.
Ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
Your word is sesquipedalian. Sesquipedalian.
SESQUEPEDALIAN.
So close, one letter was wrong. PE.
Yeah, I said PE.
QUEIPE. You said QUEPE, right? Yeah. It's SESQUIPEDALIAN. Sesquipedalian. Thank you.
Calling upon contestant number 10, New Vision Concept School, Ahantya Sai.
Hi.
Hi.
Ready for your word?
Yes.
Your round 2 word is Weltanschauung.
Can I have the meaning?
A comprehensive worldview or philosophy of life and how someone interprets and understands the world around them.
Can you repeat the word?
Yes, Weltanschauung.
WELTENSCHUANG.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect. It's WELTANSCHAUUNG. Thank you. That was really good attempt at it though.
Thank you, Ahantya. Calling upon contestant number 11 from Kennedy High, the global school, it's Sri Sahaja.
Hi,
Hi, ma'am.
you can hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
Your word is Xenodochial.
Can you repeat the word?
Yes, Xenodochial.
Zenodochial.
Xenodochial starts with an X, so unfortunately that was incorrect. It is Xenodochial. Xenodochial. Thank you.
Well tried, Sahaja. Moving on to contestant number 13 from Bhavans, it's Teesta Mukherjee.
Hi, ready for your word? Zugzwang.
May I have the definition of that?
It's a situation in which every possible decision or move is detrimental or forces a worsening of the existing situation.
Can you repeat the word, please?
Yes, Zugzwang.
ZUKSWANG.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect. It's ZUGZWANG. Zugzwang. Thank you.
Well tried, Teesta. Moving on to contestant number 16 from Bhavans, it's Animesh Panigrav.
Hi,
Hi.
ready for your word?
Yes.
It's vexatious.
Could you define the word, please?
Vexatious means causing annoyance, distress, or frustration.
Could you repeat the word?
Yes, vexatious.
VEXATIOUS.
That's right. Perfect.
Moving on to contestant number 17 from Fiji School, it's Lasya Getika.
Ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
Your word is ostentatious.
OSTENTATIOUS.
That's right. Perfect.
Calling upon contestant number 18 from Akshara International School, it's Kartika Reddy.
Hi.
Ma'am.
Ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
It's beleaguer.
Could you repeat the word?
Yes, beleaguer.
BILIGOU.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect. It's BELEAGUER. Beleaguer. Thank you.
Our final contestant from Johnson Grammar School, it's contestant number 20, that's Rajita Anil.
Hi. Ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
It's chicanery.
CHICANERY.
That's right. Perfect.
So moving on to round 3 with 7 contestants, and round 3 is also going to be an single word elimination round where the participants will be given one word to spell right. And participants, just a small reminder, you can take the help from the B Master. Don't spell out the word in case you have any ambiguity in its spelling. You can always ask for help and then finally give it. The battle is getting tougher, so don't lose your spot easily. So moving on to round 3 with contestant number 2, 4, 6, 7, 16, 17 and 20. Calling upon my first contestant for round 3, contestant number 2 from Fiji School, Madhapur, it's going to be Yashaswini Reddy.
Hello.
Hi.
Ready for your word?
Yes.
Your word is verisimilitude.
Can you repeat?
Yes, verisimilitude.
VERISIMILITUDE.
Tude.
That's right.
Perfect. Moving on to the contestant number, second contestant, calling upon contestant number 4 from Kennedy High, the Global School, Athav Mishra.
Hi.
Hi, mom.
Ready?
Yes, mom.
Your word is triskaidekaphobia.
Could you please repeat the word, mom?
Triskaidekaphobia.
Can I have the meaning, please?
It's the fear of the number 13.
Can you please use it in a sentence, mom?
Yeah. Her triskaidekaphobia kept her from entering buildings that had the 13th floor.
Triskaidekaphobia.
That's right. Perfect.
Perfect, Athav. Calling upon the next contestant, contestant number 6, Rishi from Bhavishya High School.
Hi.
Hello, ma'am.
Ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
Your word is phantasmagoria.
Can you repeat it again?
Yes, phantasmagoria.
May I have its definition?
Phantasmagoria refers to a sequence of imagined or real images like those seen in our dreams.
Can you repeat it again?
Yes, phantasmagoria.
Phantasmagoria.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect. It's Phantasmagoria. Phantasmagoria. Thank you.
Calling upon our next contestant, contestant number 7 from Fiji School, Madhapur. It's Ivanshi Ranjan.
Hi.
Hi.
Ready for your word?
Yes.
Obstreperous.
Can you repeat the word?
Yes, obstreperous.
Can I have the meaning?
Obstreperous means anything that's difficult and noisy to control, boisterous or
Can you
unruly.
repeat the word?
Obstreperous.
Obstreperous.
Just by one letter, you got it wrong. Unfortunately, it's incorrect. The correct spelling is Obstreperous.
Thank you.
Obstreperous. Thank you.
Calling upon contestant number 16 from Bhavans. It's Animesh Panigra.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can
Yeah?
hear you now. Yeah.
Okay. Ready for your word?
Yeah.
Your word is contumacious.
Contumacious. Contumacious.
That's
Contumacious.
perfect. Very well done.
Moving on to the next contestant, contestant number 17. Again from Fiji School, it's Lasya Geetika.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Ready for your word?
Yes, ma'am.
Your word is tergiversation.
TERGIVERSATION.
That's right. I would really appreciate it if you could be louder.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay.
Perfect.
Thank you. It was correct.
Lasya. Moving on to contestant number 20, our final contestant for round 3. Representing Johnson Grammar School, it's Rajita.
Your word is décollé.
Ma'am, can I have the meaning?
Décollé means a low-cut neckline, usually referring to a woman's dress that exposes her upper chest.
DECOLAY.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect. It's DECOLLETE. Décollé. Thank you.
Well attempted, Rajita. And I think I have 4 contestants with whom we are moving on to our final round. Contestant number 2, 4, 16 and 17. So now the battle begins for the gold, silver and bronze.
Whoever gets the most words right in this round, if we don't have a tiebreaker in the future, that depends on how you all answer, the 4 of you. You ready?
Remember, this is a timed round and you will be given 5 words to spell in 60 seconds. So use the time wisely.
You get stuck, tell me, we move on to the next word. And you'll only be given the word in this round. I won't be allowed to give you meanings, its etymology or anything else, okay? So don't bother asking me for it, don't waste your time. You get stuck on a word, move to the next word. We'll revisit it. Let's begin then.
So for round 4, calling on contestant number 2.
You're ready?
Yes.
So 1 minute and 5 words. Your time starts now. Your first word is lucubrate.
Lucubrate.
Yes.
Lucubrate.
That's right. Your second word is ligniperdus.
Can you repeat?
Ligniperdus.
Ligniperdous.
Yes. Third word is bourgeoisie.
Bourgeoisie.
That's right. Your fourth word is zabaglion.
Can you repeat?
Zabaglion.
Next word, please.
Your time starts now, and your fourth word is shipperkey.
Can you repeat?
Shipperkey.
Chippercky.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect. And your final word is similarca.
Can you repeat?
Similarca.
Similarcha.
Unfortunately, that's incorrect.
It's wrong. She got 3 words right. So calling our contestant number 4 from Kennedy High, the Global School, Atar Mishra.
We'll begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so your time starts now, and your first word is heliolatry.
Could you please repeat the word?
Heliolatry.
Heliolatry.
Unfortunately, incorrect. Your second word is avoirdupois.
Next word, please.
Your third word is faience.
Fayence.
Unfortunately, incorrect. Your fourth word is hacienda.
Hacienda.
That's right. Your final word is tialism.
Tialism.
Incorrect. Your second word is avoirdupois. You want to attempt it? You can.
Awardu.
That's incorrect. Your time's also up. Thank you. You got 1 right.
Thank you, Atar.
You got 1 right.
You got 1 right word, dear. Moving on to contestant number 16. It's Animesh from Bhavans.
Ready for your words?
Yes.
Your first word is nouveau.
Nouveau. Nouveau.
That's right. Your second word is paraphernalia.
Paraphernalia. Paraphernalia.
That's right. Your third word is inveigh.
Inveigh. Inveigh.
That's right. Your fourth word is psephology.
Psepholog.
That's right. Perfect. Your final word is catachresis.
Catachresis. Catachresis.
That's right. Perfect.
5 on 5 in 29. You still had 29 seconds left, dear. That was good. Calling upon our final contestant number 17 from Fiji. It's Lasya Geetika.
You're ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Your time starts now, and your first word is precocious.
Precocious.
That's right. Your second word is diphthong.
Diphthong.
That's right. Your third word is fodder.
Foudor.
Unfortunately, incorrect. Your fourth word is panacea.
Panacea.
That's right. And your fifth word is variegated.
Variegated.
Perfect. You got 4 right.
So yes, you have 4 right words. I think we have the winners now with 5 on 5, 4 on 5 and 3 on 5. So I think the competition was quite tough, and the contestants also ensured that they are not going to give it up that easily. We have Animesh Panigra from Bharti Vidya Bhavans, Jubilee Hills. I think he has made it as a ritual to win it every year, and he has been the gold winner. Equally competent was Lasya Geetika from Fiji School with 4 on 5 going for the silver. And yes, giving a tough competition was again from Fiji School, Madhapur, Yashaswini, her own friend, giving an 3. That's really a great and a tough competition.
Pooja, what was that? Like, what words are those? Like, the tongue twisting and equally
No, we
difficult.
could,
I don't know how
make
did they
it-
spell just like that.
Exactly.
They make it
See
sound
this.
so easy.
Yes.
They're super scary words. I don't know what these guys eat in breakfast every day.
Good round of applause,
They
please.
practiced.
And they're also calm. They're
Oh, yes.
so calm. They're like, oh, this word, I know it.
Yeah. Pretty
Most of them
composed.
were from grade 10. They had this pre-board and all this
Yeah.
exam cooking
And in
up
the
on
middle
them,
of
and
that.
still they were very cool. ठीक है पूछ लो जो भी पूछना है हम बता देंगे.
No wonder they have reached
Good.
here. Congratulations.
You're all the
winners
marvels.
And everyone, indeed. Meanwhile, parents, like, if you want to share anything, the experience, how is it here, and, what all that hard work they did to be here and, winning. Like I said, that everybody is a winner here, not only those 3 winners. Please come, because for Sakshi, this is not any commercial activity. We want to open the door, to better world and a bigger world, a learning of, many things, not just English.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సాక్షి స్పెల్బింగ్. ఈ కాంపిటీషన్ చూస్తుంటే, ఈ వర్డ్స్ చూస్తుంటే అసలు వండర్ అనిపిస్తుంది. పలకడానికే ఇబ్బందిగా ఉన్న ఇంత పదాలను పిల్లలు ఇంత ఈజీగా చెప్పడం చాలా మంచిగా అనిపించింది. కంగ్రాచులేషన్ టు ఆర్గనైజర్స్. మోర్ ఓవర్, నాట్ ఓన్లీ హైదరాబాద్, చుట్టుపక్కల ఉన్న టౌన్ల నుంచి కూడా పిల్లలు వస్తారు. వాళ్ళు కూడా ఈ పదాలను చెప్పగలుగుతారు అంటే కొంచెం బాగా ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ ఉంది. ఇది 2nd year మా అబ్బాయితో రావడం నాకు కూడా చాలా హ్యాపీ అనిపిస్తుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
I can't pronounce it even now. And she was just, blurted it through this. So I can actually write that word and, okay, super flashy, or whatever is the way it gets through. I always thought it was just the words were there to make fun. And I didn't know that it requires, there are so many of such words. What I really loved the fact that over the last, I think, 4 months or so, there are children from the class section 1, 2, 3 coming to the top 20, top 7, top 4. I think it's like the cream of the cream here. Super proud for all of you. Not one of these words I could pronounce, forget, spell it. So it's amazing to be here, and congratulations everybody.
Hi everyone. I'm part of Fiji School. I'm not a parent, but I'm a faculty for these students. It gives me an immense pleasure to be a part of this show. And as a teacher, I feel very proud of them, first of all. If anyone conducts this kind of test for us, as a teacher, I don't think I will be able to crack it, as mom said. Okay, anyway, big congratulations to all these winners. And moreover, hats off to their brilliant knowledge. That's what I want to tell you. Congratulations all. Thank you.
I'm parent of Rajita Rao. We made it late actually. There was a miscommunication. Preparations, she made it on her own without any guidance or anything. It is her own effort. From last 3 years she is trying for this, and she made it for the finals this time. And I'm really proud of her, and it was well
Super proud of
organized.
you.
Very well organized, and it was very difficult words to pronounce. I really don't know. Hats off to that guy and all those winners. In fact, everyone. It was really a very good event. Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. So I'm over here, and this is my 10th time participating in this. Thank you. This is my 10th time participating in Sakshi Spelby. Ever since 1st grade, that was the first year, of course, my mother introduced me to the world of Spelbies. Thank you, Mom. From 1st grade, ever since then, I've had happy memories, sad memories as well. I've come to the finals, I've lost a couple of times, but I've come and won, and sometimes I didn't make it to the finals. But each time, I learned something new, and I think that's what matters the most. And of course, my school, especially today, my 2 amazing English teachers, Sushmita ma'am and Suvachara ma'am, they were over here and they were supporting me. Thank you.
Who remember they accompanying you even last year? They have been regular.
Yes.
That's so supporting, really. That's a lot of encouragement for the child. Lovely.
Yeah, and this is my possibly the last ever Spelby I participate in, and I'd like to thank Sakshi because 10 years of experiences, memories that you've given me, and I'll never forget that. Thank you.
ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినందుకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. ఇంతమందిలో కూడా 20 మెంబర్స్లో ఒక పర్సన్గా వచ్చిందంటే నేను చాలా ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ మై డాటర్. మీరు ఈ కంటెస్ట్ చేసినందుకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది సార్ నాకైతే.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sakshi, and it was so lovely sitting here. I'm becoming emotional. Though she came till the third round, I'm Ivanshi's mom. She came till the third round. I was just keeping my fingers crossed, and still I'm shaking. I don't know, it was such a nice, surreal experience for me. As Animesh said, because of her mom, he is here. I think because of Ivanshi, I am here. Thank you so much, and I'm really, really proud of you.
Good evening. I'm also a parent. I've been here the entire day. My younger daughter was in an earlier category. My elder daughter right
So I
now
noticed something that you were here since morning.
Yes. Both my daughters have qualified. They've continuously... Thank you. Thank you. For my younger daughter, today was the first final for her. And my elder daughter's already won it a few times. She's won some, she's lost some. My wife and I, we are very proud of both of them. It's a little emotional.
Very happy. That's so good. Nice to hear. T-Star had been regularly participating in this. She
Thank you.
was really.
So now it's amazing to see the quality, the degree of, the difficulty and the quality of the children who are participating. The words they are rattling out in seconds is unbelievable.
My name is Suresh Vikram. I'm working in Sri Vidyapeeth as a teacher. My son, he participated in Sakshi Spell Bee. This is the first time he participated today, actually category 2. So he is in the finals. It is great experience to be here. Whenever I see some students are spelling, they are spelling the words. If the word has 15 letters, 16 letters, I do not know how they are spelling. It is not coming in a single night. So their hard work, they are learning from years, I think so. Very happy. So we will try again. Our student Srivali is there. She is sitting there in the category 4. So thank you very much, Sakshi.
Thank you, sir. Let us move to the medal and the felicitation. Yes, I request B Masters be on to the dais. And there are two lecturers here, right? The teachers. I request them to be on the stage, please. Take a part of this pride moment, please. I insist. Please, ma'am. Now I request all contestants to come one by one to receive the medals. And I request all parents, audience to give a big hand while they receive medals. As I mentioned, everybody is a winner here. Alright, let me call upon the winners now. Let me start with bronze winner, Yashaswini Reddy from Fitji School, Madhapur, Hyderabad. Congratulations and a big round of applause, please. A 3,000 rupees reward and a certificate and a gift hamper from Dukes. And silver goes to Lasya Geetika from Fitji School, Madhapur, Hyderabad. A cool contender. Has won silver. A 5,000 rupees check. Now I want this auditorium to come resound while I announce the gold winner or call upon to receive the medal. Animesh Panigrahi from Bharti Vidya Bhavan School, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. A big round of applause, please. Everyone. And 8,000 rupees reward here. Okay, I want 3 winners here, please, along with the parents. And we have to announce here a champion school, Sakshi Spell Bee 2024-25. Any guesses? Most number of medals. Which school it goes to? Any guesses? Sakshi Spell Bee 24-25 Telangana champion school goes to Bharti Vidya Bhavan School, Jubilee Hills. They have won 1 gold in category 4, 1 silver in category 1. 2 medals. Thank you. Please come. Somebody from the school. Bharti Vidya Bhavan, Jubilee Hills. Thank you, everyone. Here we conclude category 4 and Sakshi Spell Bee 24-25. Thank you so much.